And now you also have a sort of a side job at least, because you are like a media person.
It seems like it. I didn't really ask for this part of it.
But you have to enjoy it.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, it's interesting. It's an interesting life, I have to say.
We heard that you were stung by a bee yesterday.
That sucked.
So are you okay now?
Yeah, sure.
The Finnish bees are very aggressive in August, so we're sorry.
They're very aggressive.
And you're jet lagging and everything.
Just add that on top of it.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so
Are you actually traveling a lot of like a media person around the world? Not just Finland?
I mean, not this year. I haven't. It's not. I don't know if it's really media. It's just people hire me to be at the event. Draws more people in. So, yeah, I've gotten into some pretty cool stuff.
And how does it feel to be very well known? Because as I understood, you just want to be a good truck driver and you are just doing your job. And now you are the famous one, so how does it feel?
I mean, just imagine what it would be like just doing your job and all of a sudden you're just well known for it and everybody's looking up to you. Whoa, what did I do?
Kysy just.
Hän just vastasi siihen, että omat ajoitin ja hän vastasi, että hän kiertää tilaisuuksista